Okay, I'm going to be showing you the 3 easy versions of the guitar chords for Heartbreak Hotel. There's only 3 chords that we're dealing with, is what I meant to say. There is the A7, the D7, and then it's technically what we're going to play is an E chord, but it's listed as E7 in the song. We're going to replace it with an E chord because it's a little easier. So the way we begin is with the A7, and if you notice on the chart that there are X's on the lower 3 strings. So the way that it works is the string closest to the ground is your first string, and then your second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string, and sixth string. For the A7, for any of these chords, we're only playing the top 3 strings, strings 3, 2, and 1. And these ones down here, we don't play at all. So keep that in mind when we're playing these easy versions of the guitar chords. You're only playing on the top 3 strings. So they'll sound a little quieter than the full chords, but they're still going to be effective. So for the A7 chord, you take your first finger, you want to find the second string, so that's 1, 2, this second string here, second closest to the ground, and you want the second fret. And you're going to play all 3 strings. You're going to take care that your finger isn't blocking any other string. This is me trying to play the first string if my finger is touching it. You don't want it to sound like that. You want your finger to be not touching the other strings. You also want to take care that your finger is not on the metal, giving you that sound, but it's a little bit behind the metal. It can also not sound great if it's too far. You want to find that sweet spot inside the fret, right there. And so that's your A7 right there. Your D7 is going to be a bit of a challenge, but it's a reasonably challenging chord. It's 3 fingers altogether. You need to take your middle finger. You're going to find the second fret of the third string. And then you're going to take your first finger and find the first fret of the second string. And then your third finger, your ring finger, takes the second fret of the first string. For that one, if you notice on the chart, you actually play the 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. So you can play all 4 of those strings without a problem. This is what it looks like from your angle. You'll see it like that. It kind of looks like a triangle. You've got your finger here, and then finger over here as well. Get that good angle there. There you go. Yep. So that's your D7 right there. And then, fortunately, the E7 is also just a 1-finger chord. This time with your first finger on the first fret of the 3rd string. And then again, you just play the top 3 strings. And as I said before, that this is actually just an E major chord, which is fine by us because it works well with the E7. So that's your E7 right there. So you got your A7, which is that, your D7, and then your E, which we're going to use for E7 in the song. Okay? And so that's what you've got right there. I hope you enjoyed.